Let's make this quick and easy Jamaican simple cabbage and carrot salad. This is super easy and literally the best side recipe to pair with any single meal that you have. So sit back and let's just jump right into this easy, quick salad recipe. So for the ingredients, you'll need the white cabbage, the purple cabbage, carrot, and a sweet pepper. So for this, we're just going to slice our cabbage very thin, very slim, thin slices because nobody likes big chunky cabbage in their cabbage salad. See how thin and nice this is? That the knife can be time consuming. So for an easier way, you can just use a vegetable peeler and just easily just slide it along, and look how fast and easy I am doing this. And it still gives you nice shredded pieces, quick and easy and fast. When you're finished, you just want to get your bowl that you're using and transfer it to a nice bowl for a nice presentation, whether you're serving it for a dinner or simply just having it for a party or anything. You're going to do the same thing with the purple cabbage. The purple cabbage seemed to shred a lot easier than the white cabbage for some reason, so this was a lot faster than the white one. But I like to mix these cabbages because it gives it a nice pretty color, and they both have their own benefits, the purple and the white cabbage. Transfer this to the bowl, and then we're just going to work on our carrot using the peeler to shed off the outer layer of the carrots. You can scrub it, but I rather just peeling it because I know it's, peeling properly. And then you're just going to rinse it off. And after you've rinsed it off, then you're going to grab your grater and start grating it. You want to use a medium side of your grater to grate these. You don't want super thin carrots. You want a nice medium chunky bite, and that's how they look. So just shred as much as you want. I'm using 2 carrots for this recipe. You can use 3 if you like more carrots than cabbage. And that's how they look after I have shredded it. After you finish shredding it, you're just going to transfer it to the same bowl. You can just put it nice and neat and cute beside the purple cabbage. Now I'm just going to slice up the sweet pepper into really tiny pieces. I tried to use the peeler for this one, but I just didn't like how it was peeling, so I opted for the knife. And when you're using your knife, you just want to lean it to the side, sideways, and just thinly cut small thin slices. You can omit the sweet peppers, but that's how thin you want the slices. If you're not a sweet pepper fan, just leave the sweet pepper out. It's still amazing with just the cabbage and the carrot all by itself. Transfer your sweet peppers to the bowl, and then we're just going to work on our dressing. Just some sugar, vinegar, water, and some olive oil. Give that a mix, mixing out all the sugar, and then you're just going to pour it on your salad, and literally that is it. After you pour it on your salad, then you're just going to start, if you can use a hand or a spoon or use a glove if you want to, and just mix in everything and make sure that each part of your salad gets some of the dressing. And if you want to add more sugar to take away some of that vinegarness, then you can definitely do that. But literally that is it. Simple cabbage salad. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy salad recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you do not miss another post. Everything will be linked in the description bar below, or you can find this full recipe on jerktavern.com. It will also be linked in the description bar below. Thank you guys for watching again, and we'll see you guys in the next recipe.